Hey YouTube, it's Becca's from Life Behind It here. So today I'm doing another unboxing, and it's Disney Frozen. Just got it today from Target. It's an awesome movie. So here's the spine, the back. There's the bonus features. There's the digital HD, rated PG. And it's 2013. Oh, my bad, it's 2014. There's the spine again. And there's the front. Okay, let's unbox this. So there's the front. And there's the back. But, ooh, the back is different, because it's only the Target exclusive, so. Okay, so let's unbox this. So here is the bonus disc. Got some special features. And I don't know how you unbox this. Probably like very gentle. But rather that, there's a disc in there. So here's the front. Same thing on the back. It's just the bits. So here's the DVD, the one you guys can get the code. So that's the DVD. And there's the Blu-ray. Okay, so that's it. That's the unboxing of Disney Frozen. Okay, see you next time. Please subscribe, comment, and rate. Okay, see you next time.